Good morning, grade 1. Good morning, grade 1, and welcome to our mathematics lesson. Welcome to our mathematics lesson. Welcome to our lesson today. Today, we are going to look at or learn adding two single digit numbers. Adding two single digit numbers. Adding two single digit numbers, and we are going to look at examples. We will look at a few examples. We will look at few examples here to guide us. Example 1. Example 1 is 2 plus 1. Now you are going to do this math using objects like counters or pens or rubbers to count. So the first thing, first count two objects. This is 2. Count two objects, put them aside, then count one object, put them aside, then put the objects together, the first two objects that you counted and the one object that you counted, put them together, then after putting them together, count all the 2 and 1 objects together. Count now all the objects together. How many objects do you have now? All of them together. You will get 3 objects. I know you've counted. You will get 3 objects. So our answer will be 3. 2 plus 1, you get 3. That is how we get our answer to be 3. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. What are we going to get? Of course, the answer is 11. When you add 8 plus 3, you get 11. But now, how did we get 11 as the answer? Let's see. First step. First, count 8 objects. This 8. Count them, put them aside. Count 8 objects, put them aside. Then count 3 objects. This is 3. Put them aside. So 8 plus 3. Plus means joining together or putting them together. Then put the objects together. Put the 8 objects and the 3 objects that you've counted together and count all of them. Let me give you time to count. Count all the objects. Count all the objects. I know you've counted. How many have you got? 11. Good. Now, when you count, you will get 11 objects. When you count all of them together, you will get 11 objects. So our answer will be 11. Our answer will be 11. Our answer will be 11. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3 is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. Of course, the answer is 10. But how did we get 10? Let's look at now how we get 10 first. First, count the 5 objects. Put them aside. Then count another 5 objects. Put them aside. Put the objects together. The 5 that you have counted and another 5 that you have counted. Put them together. Put them together. And count all of them. And count all of them. Let me give you time to count. Let me give you time to count. Count all of them. The 5 objects that you counted and another 5 put together, and then you count all. Good. How many did you get objects? So it is 10. So you'll get them to be 10 objects. So the answer is 10. The answer is 10. Now we have an exercise here. Work out the following. Work out the following. It is addition. Same thing that we have been doing those examples, the way we have been doing those examples. First one is 6 plus 8. Second one is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7, sorry. 3 plus 7. Third one is 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Another one is 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. Another one is 7 plus 4. Then lastly 6 plus 3. After doing that work with the guide of your parent or your brothers and sisters, you send your work to this number for marking. The number is here in red, my phone number. Send it here for marking. Number is 07 08 04 79 10. Send your work for marking.